For a fun way to track your goals in Excel, you can use this Vision Board Bingo template. Enter your goals and they show up in a grid with a free space in the middle. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. When you download the template, you'll see the examples that I've set up for goals and for a title. But you can go into the settings sheet, and where I've got Vision Board, you can put whatever title you'd like, just something short enough that it'll fit across the board. On another sheet, I've put in a list of goals. Use those or create your own. Then there's a column called Use, where you put an X for every goal that you'd like to see in your vision board. At the top, you'll see how many goals are in the list and how many are selected with an X. So I've got 24 selected, which is the number that you need for the bingo card. If I try and add one more, it tells me that's too many. You can also sort them. This is the list that's going to show up on the bingo card, and it's in the same order as they've been selected here. To scramble up the list, you can click any cell in this sort column, and then sort largest to smallest. It's just random numbers. So now it's the same items that you selected, just in a different order. Print this out, and as you accomplish a goal, put an X until you've got a whole row, and that's a bingo.